Yeah, so here we have an Engco angle grinder, 2400 watts. Let's open it up. This is a new thing. The packaging is so amazing. I love it. It has a nice representation. So we have to see what's inside. Yeah, what is inside. So as I've already said, the packaging is good. So here are the things. So we have a manual book, and we have this is a holder, and this is the grinder itself. The grinder is so heavy, so heavy. Yeah, so this is the grinder, and this is the key, and this here is a guard to protect you when you are grinding stuff. And let's see if there's anything else here. And yeah, and the brushes are over here. These are spare brushes and Allen key, hex key. Yeah, sure. That's all that I wanted to show you today. Yeah.